Here's a 1979 Chevrolet Corvette. Extremely clean, well taken care of car. Adult owned and driven. This car spent its entire life in North Dakota before coming to us as a trade-in. Was stored in a controlled environment up there, not driven winters, and it definitely shows. If you want to check out the underside, see how clean this car is, check out the underside pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. As you can see, it's in Corvette yellow. Still has pretty much everything stock from what I've been around it. It is powered by the more powerful L82 engine from 1979 that is paired with a 3-speed turbo hydromatic transmission. So it does have an automatic in it. Black leather interior. You can also check out the window sticker. So if you want to see how this car was equipped right from Chevrolet, you can check out the original window sticker in with the pictures. And again, those pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call too if you'd like to inquire about this car or maybe about how to get it transported to you. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. As you can see from going around the car, I mean, the paint is in beautiful shape. It's not all chipped up, dinged up. It's not checking. It's not scratched. It's got a nice luster. This car could be shown. It could be driven to local cruise-ins. It can just be enjoyed on Sundays. It'll do it all. It's a get in it, turn the key, and go. A little over 44,000 original miles on it. Check out the interior. Let's see what I'm saying. Not all wore. This is original interior. No rips, tears. Door cars. So many times you see these things falling apart. Little pockets in the side doors, nice shape. Steering wheel, not worn, also nice shape. You can see automatic. In the console. We'll go ahead and fire this car up so you can hear how smooth it runs. Nicely it runs. Check out the miles too while we're in here. So 44,457. See how easily it starts. Gauges all appear to be working. Hey, even the clock is going around. Does have an AM/FM cassette player from 1979. AC does blow cold. You'll see a very nice car on the inside also. Like I said, everything that I can tell if you look at the interior, under the hood and the engine bay, all appear to be stock. Take a look at how nice the shape even the floor mats are in. Hear how nicely and smoothly it runs. Still on the high idle, hasn't warmed up a little bit, but I'll see if I can get it down off that. I'll let it run just a little bit. So again, 1979 Chevrolet Corvette yellow, automatic transmission, L82 engine, nicely equipped.